literally such a red. I think so. Do you think it's because like I'm like my swelling like going down for sure here? Maybe it just makes you look. Yeah, I don't get any weathers. Okay, I'm back and I have new hair and I feel so freaking bomb, dude. With my honestly, like my hair is like a Juaz vibe right now. Hey, hi my love. Okay, so you guys are back on. I'm sorry, I messed up a little bit. But I am gonna be trying on my Savage X Fenty stuff with you guys. So I do have a few outfits, but more so I do have like probably like 2 of them that I can't try on because they're a little see-through. But I'm gonna try on the rest just to show you guys like how they fit, how comfortable they are, just how like sexy they make you feel and all of that. So hello from South Texas. Hi my love. If you guys just wanna share the video, I mean just for love. If not, if you guys just wanna like it real quick, give me a little like. I appreciate you guys so much. So again, I just want to show you guys the material, how amazing it is. They do have a 50% off if you guys do become a VIP member. And I believe they do have like 2 bras or bralettes for $29. They have sizes all the way from extra small to like 3X, I want to say. Hello gorgeous, share, thank you. So my link is in the description, you guys. I'm gonna get started and try some nice stuff on. Excited as hell. What are you guys doing? Okay. Oh, me skipping your freaking ads. So I'm gonna try on the first one. The first one is really, really cute. I hope you guys can't see me right there. Imagine the phone falls. Oh my god, that's so scary. Okay, so I'm gonna try on the first one. The first one is really freaking cute. I actually really, really like this one. And I didn't do pictures in these, so I feel like it's so exciting to show you guys because you guys are seeing them on me for the first time. You guys might have seen them around Instagram because Savage X Fenty is poppin'. You gotta give me a little look before I go. Okay, so this is the first one. This is a little yellow one. It does come with these little boy shorts, and then it also comes with like a little thong kind of. So it's super cute, like super comfortable. I think cute. I feel like whenever I try them on, I'm like, I can't even move. So it's super cute and comfortable. Let me actually check myself out real quick. Finally watching you. I know this was gonna be like literally a quick one. I just want to show you guys just how cute they are. Probably get close up just so you guys can see them a little bit close up. And just how comfortable they are. So yeah, this is a cute little yellow one. I mean, obviously it's like sleepwear. It's like literally like, you know, intimate outfits. Obviously they're gonna obviously show, you know, but they're super cute. No, Cindy, I'm mariscas. I'm changing them for my girl. And then these are like little booty short types, so they're super freaking cute, honestly. I think it's super cute. Shared girl, thank you babe for sharing. So yeah, so this is this one, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and put on the other little piece of this one, which is super cute. This one is more of like a calzoncito. Like that one was more of like boy shorts. Hold on, guys. Having a little technical difficulty here. So they do have sizes from 32A to, I already forgot the other one. 32A to, can you tell me one more time? It left me. That one is hella cute. Dude, it is so cute. Like, I'm gonna show you guys a little robe. Honestly, I'm like super obsessed with this robe. And I feel like it just kind of like, it's gonna give me a little bit of comfort shine in it. Oh, so sizes from 32A to 42H, and then extra small to 3X. So this is the other bottom part. So this is more of like a little calzoncito. The other one was more of like a little boy short. Again, they are like sleepwear. They are like obviously undergarments. So obviously they're gonna be a little bit see-through, but they're super freaking cute. I'm like literally obsessed. And obviously the robe is also a whole ass vibe. So it's super cute. Thank you for the stars. But yeah, so they have super cute stuff, guys. I'm gonna actually put this on real quick and I'm gonna show you guys the black ones. So this one's a little bit more like on the intimate side, obviously. I can't try this on live because it is a little bit see-through. Hey from Chicago. Hey, it's from Savage X Fenty, babe. So my link is in the description. You guys can shop if you guys would like to. But this is a cute little like set. And again, it's more of like on the intimate side. So I'm really trying on the ones that are like a little bit more like appropriate to show. Your undies are literally going to be under $7. Again, the link is down below, so you guys can literally go check it out. I really like their stuff like a lot. Like their sets are amazing. I think their sets start off at like what, $15 or something like that. Shared, thank you. So again, you guys, that is a yellow set, and then this is just a little robe to kind of like wear around your house and stuff like that. I'm gonna try on another one for you guys. That one was that one. That one was that one. No, duh. This one right here is more of like a set. So I'm gonna try on a set for you guys. I need like two. And everything literally is priced under $50, you guys. So this is another one. I'm obviously just gonna put it on top of that one just so you guys can see it. This is more of like a little two-piece. Yeah, I'm like honestly obsessed with this one. This is more of like a little two-piece. So it has a little pantaloncitos. So they're just so comfortable. Obviously I still have my tags on because I haven't taken them off. I haven't actually worn this to sleep. But it's super cute, you guys. They're like so comfortable and they just make you feel like the whole ass alive. Put it on top of what you already have on, I know. So super cute, super comfortable. Again, they do carry them anywhere from extra small to 3X. So if you guys are interested in getting them, the link is in the description. The robe is a whole vibe. Honestly, these are even a whole vibe too for me because I feel like this is literally like what I can like sleep in at home and be really comfortable. Okay, Savage X Fenty has, dude, they have good stuff and they have really soft and like smooth material. Like honestly, it's really like thick and it's good material. Like you're gonna find inexpensive stuff and they're just really cute. Like they're just a little bad. So I'm gonna go on to the next one, you guys. This is gonna be a short little cute video, just showing you guys the ones that I can try on online. I'm gonna need to put you on my YouTube. I'm just kidding. How many times a week do you exercise? Dude, I don't exercise, honestly. Dang, Facebook's blocking me from sharing. Really? Why? Not like all crazy. This one was also like a huge favorite, you guys. I was actually wearing this one this weekend in Santa Monica and I felt like a baddie. It is. The color, huh? Like the color's just a whole vibe. Hi girl, hi my love. That is so cute, Cindy. It looks good on you. Body goals. Thank you. So it's comfortable, it's supportive, and it's made to last. So obviously, like if you get yourself some cute little items, they are made to last. I'm gonna put this one on with a little robe, you guys, just because the back part of this one is a little taquita. I'm definitely going to be shopping cute stuff. It is really cute, and they have like, again, like they have all sizes for you guys. So this is the little it's orange and this is so freaking cute. Honestly, I really like it. So again, you guys can always wear it like on top with your robes, like super cute, super sexy. Bad Bunny in the background. Oh, me texting that. What's your diet? I'm gonna say the Selena diet. Well, I can eat a whole medium piece by myself. What are we talking about eating? Oh, definitely the orange one. I know, dude. It's like a whole vibe, dude. Literally, like I just feel like a bad bitch, like on a little runway, like. I'm just kidding, you guys. shared my lip. Thank you guys for sharing. Great seeing you, Cindy. Thank you, babe. So again, you guys are more than welcome to get the little robes, the little 2 pieces, or even like the actual like full body sets. They're super comfortable, super cute. I do have about 2 more to show you guys, so I'm gonna show them to you guys really quick. But yeah, super soft and comfortable material. Savage X Fenty does carry you know, all sizes, and they're just comfortable. They're a Boss vibe. The black set of the intimate wear, is that what I was referring to put it on top of the, oh, to put it on top. You smart girl. Maybe I will. They are true to size, babe, because these are in a size small, and I feel like they fit me like super good. Like they're not too tight, they're not too crazy. And then they do have like lingerie, like just, you know, for you to feel good in like your own skin. Literally all sizes. I just can't show you guys like the actual one unless I do it in a picture on Instagram, because I feel like in an Instagram picture, like you can kind of like hide the areas more. But obviously like online, it's like they're gonna see your whole ass. Pizza's live. The robes are sold out. No! Keep checking back, dude, because they're popping. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go into the next one. What's the size of your bra, if you don't mind me asking? I'll look at it right now and I'll show it to you. This one right here. Yeah. These guys check it for y'all. This is a 34D. So it's 34D. Damn, it is? It doesn't even feel like it. So now I'm going to show you guys the one that you guys seen in the picture on my Instagram, which is actually super cute too. I really, really like this one. Oh, me cayéndome telling me to mostrar la ropa. She's like, cállate y muestra la ropa. Sí, señora. Yeah. And then this is this one, you guys. So this one's actually super cute too. This one's actually a whole vibe. Like I can, because it's darker, like I feel like it kind of like doesn't show as much, like as crazy, huh? I feel like the lighter colors are kind of like more like, ooh. City always looks bomb. Thank you, beautiful, my love. Thank you. But I need your love. No, I'm just kidding. So damn, even with this hair, it's like a whole vibe. Like literally, you guys, it makes me feel like when I wear these, I'm just like, girl, you gonna take this to bed and feel good. I love that set. It's really, really cute, you guys. So again, it's just like a little calzoncito, super cute, super sexy, super fun. I hate y'all because y'all get to hang out. I don't know if it's me, but sometimes it sounds like your voice echoes and I can't understand, but you're cute as fuck. Thank you. So that one's that one, you guys. And then I'm actually going to show you guys this one. So I believe I've seen a few Instagrammers use this one. So it kind of has like the little calzoncito. And then it has a little bra. So again, these are like super see-through, so you just kind of have to like be like super careful with these. Obviously trying them online. And then it has a little skirt. That's not right. Which is this one? It has a little skirt to put on top. I thought this was so cute. I wish I could show this to you guys, but it's a little too revealing, huh? A little too crazy. But like, just picture the other set with the little skirt on top. Look at how cute that is. That is like really freaking cute. It's a whole vibe. The orange one is my favorite. What kind of haircut did you do? I literally just did like all one length. It was just all one length, no layers or anything. But I love that one. Hello, you're so pretty. Thank you, babe. So super cute. You can literally put a little skirt on top of even this one, and it would be like a whole vibe. I look like I'm serving at like Hooters or something. No, just kidding. Hi Cindy, hi my love. So it's that one, you guys, and then also this actual set also has a bottom piece. So let me show you guys. So you guys can purchase it as a set with little pantaloncitos, or you guys can purchase it as a set with the calzon. And this is what it would look like with the pantaloncito. Obviously, you're gonna wear one or the other. Like you're not gonna wear one on top. You can, but so you could wear either or. So you could do like the little calzoncito, or you can do like the pantaloncito, whatever it is that you feel comfortable in. So they're super stretchy, they're super comfortable, like literally super cute. I honestly really, really like it. And again, I'll show you guys like, I'm just kidding. Super cute, super comfortable, just super sexy. So again, if you guys do want to shop, the link is in the description of the video. I did show you guys all my fun stuff. I just wanted to hop on and show it to you guys really quick, just to show you guys and share with you guys that they do have good deals on their website. So again, if you guys do become a VIP member, I know it's like 50% off. The bras are like two for, I want to say, what did I say, $29? $29 or something like that. Just check the website, guys. They have amazing deals, so you guys can literally click my link, which is right down below, and you guys can get yourself some Fenty stuff. So thanks for hanging out with me, and if you guys want to shop, you're more than welcome to down below. I love y'all. I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.